Join me as I show you a simple way you can use to make her obsessed over you, using some unconventional tactics and real talk. Let's face it, we have all been there, wanting someone to be completely swept off their feet by us, to the point where they can't think of anyone else. And honestly, it is not just about ego or validation. Having someone truly obsessed with us can be an incredible feeling, especially in dating and relationships. It's that sense of being chosen, of being the only one that matters. We have all tried to get someone's attention, to keep them interested and invested in us. But often, it feels like we are just throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something sticks. We misread signals, overthink our every move, and end up coming on too strong or not strong enough. And before we know it, the other person has lost interest and moved on to someone else. It is frustrating because we know we are capable of so much more. We have seen it happen to our friends, to people we admire. That effortless charm, that undeniable magnetism that draws people in. But how do we replicate that? How do we stop being the chaser and start being the one who is chased? The truth is, many of us go about it the wrong way. We try to change who we are to fit into someone idealized version of what they think the other person wants. We put on a show, pretending to be someone we are not, and then wonder why it doesn't last. We fail to connect on a deeper level to resonate with the other person's emotions and desires. And in the end, we are left feeling like we are not good enough. But what if I told you there is a different way? A way to tap into your own unique charm, to unlock that undeniable attraction that draws people in. It is not about changing who you are or trying to be someone else. It is about embracing your authentic self and letting that shine through in everything you do. Confidence is key. When you exude self-assurance, when you own your strengths and weaknesses, it is like a breath of fresh air to the people around you. They can't help but be drawn to you because they sense that you are not trying to be anyone else. You are not pretending to be perfect. You are embracing your imperfections and letting your true self shine through. But confidence is just the beginning. Communication is what takes it to the next level. When you can express yourself authentically, when you can listen attentively, actively, and respond with empathy, it creates a sense of connection that is hard to ignore. It is like you are speaking a secret language, one that only the two of you understand. Emotional connection is what makes it all stick. When you can tap into someone's emotions, when you can make them feel seen and heard and understood, it is like you have unlocked a deep level of intimacy. And that is when the magic happens. That is when they start to obsess over you. Not because you are trying to manipulate them, but because they feel a genuine connection with you. But here is the thing. Most people don't know how to do this. They don't know how to tap into their own confidence, how to communicate authentically, or how to create that emotional connection. And that is where I come in. I'm about to share with you a game-changing insight that will flip the scripts and make her obsess over you instead. Are you ready? Here is the thing. It's not about trying to control or manipulate the other person's feeling. It is about being so secure in yourself, so confident in your own words, that you become the prize. You become the one who is in control. Not because you are trying to dominate, but because you are so comfortable in your own skin. So, what is the secret? It is simple. It is about being the chooser, not the chaser. When you take ownership of your own desires, when you know what you want and aren't afraid to go after it, it is like a switch flips. Suddenly, you are the one who is in control, the one who is calling the shots. And that is when she starts to obsess over you. Not because you are trying to manipulate her, but because she can't help but be drawn to your confidence and self-assurance. Remember, making someone obsess over you isn't about playing games or using tactics to manipulate their feelings. It is about being your authentic self, embracing your strengths and weaknesses, and letting that shine through everything you do. When you can do that, When you can tap into your own unique charm and confidence, that is when the magic happens. That is it for today, guys. If you have got any experiences or insights you would like to share, please drop them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about building stronger connections and attracting the right people into your life, be sure to check out my videos. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I publish a new video. I will catch you in the next video.